In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell Shopify products on eBay. To begin, open the Apps section inside your Shopify dashboard. This is where you can access apps that connect your store with other platforms. Once the Apps section is open, locate the search box and enter Shopify Marketplace Connect. After the search results appear, find the Shopify Marketplace Connect app and click on it. This will take you to the app page where you can begin the installation process. On the installation page, click the Install button to continue. When you select Install, Shopify may display a confirmation prompt. Review the prompt and confirm the installation so the app can be added to your store. After the confirmation is completed, wait while Shopify installs the app and connects it to your account. Once the Shopify Marketplace Connect app has been installed successfully, move to the next part of the setup. Inside the app, locate the option labeled Connect eBay Account. Click on this option to begin linking your Shopify store with your eBay account. After selecting Connect eBay Account, you will be redirected to eBay. Continue by logging into your existing eBay account. If you do not already have an eBay account, you will need to create one before continuing with the connection process. Once you are signed into eBay, you may see a request asking for authorization. Review the information displayed on the screen and continue by approving the authorization request. This approval allows Shopify and eBay to connect and share the information needed for the integration. After you approve the authorization request, wait for the connection process to finish. Once the setup is completed, your Shopify store and eBay account will be linked through Shopify Marketplace Connect. At this stage, the connection has been established and you are ready to begin selling your Shopify products on eBay through the integration. The app will serve as the connection point between the two platforms. Before finishing, take a moment to look through the settings and options available inside the Shopify Marketplace Connect app. Review the available sections and familiarize yourself with the options provided within the app interface. If any page takes a few moments to load during the process, wait for the installation, connection, or authorization steps to finish before moving on to the next screen. Once the app is installed, your eBay account is connected, and the authorization process is complete. The setup is finished. That is how to sell Shopify products on eBay using Shopify Marketplace Connect. Thank you for watching.